He's heading down the freeway, going east on the 210 freeway. Here comes the unit. He speeds up, and now he's on the off-ramp. The off-ramp to the 210. He's got to clear the traffic. There's a moving van ahead. That's it. That's it. He's had a head-on collision with another SUV. That driver didn't even see the other car coming. It's a head-on collision.
That innocent motorist never had a chance. The fugitive vehicle was hidden from view behind the moving van, so the other driver had no time to react.
The driver suspect is out, given up. But there are probably injuries here, and the police have called for an ambulance. He's on the ground now with his hands up. He's given up. He's given up.
The police want rescue workers to get to the woman in the other vehicle as soon as possible. But they still got potentially dangerous suspects on their hands.
These are felony suspects. The police are approaching with weapons drawn. They're cuffing the driver, who's on the ground and has given up.
The second suspect is quickly removed from the SUV and joins his partner in crime on the ground. With the criminals safely out of the way, rescue workers rush to the minivan.
The rescue workers have pried open the door, and they're looking inside. We don't know how many are inside or if they are injured. It was a pretty horrific crash. Okay, one woman is getting out. It looks as though there was just one person, the driver. She seems shaken up, but she's alive. She's standing.
This woman was lucky. She survived a head-on collision with a crazed criminal hell-bent on avoiding capture. When the police are willing to use a